did you hear about us here at Spectrum Aesthetics?
I originally heard about you guys on realself.com. I was researching different doctors. I did consultations in person with about 15 doctors in California, and I did consultations over the internet, like I did with Dr. Ortega, and over the phone with about 30 doctors. So I really researched like crazy, and Dr. Ortega is the one that was right. No complaints in the past 30 years. He's been working. Definitely happy about him.
And how was your travel here to Miami?
My travel was horrible. I left my house at 6 a.m. I went to the airport. There were delays, and I asked for a backup ticket for the next airline because I had a few connections. I asked for a backup ticket, and they said, no, you'll still have time to get to your next flight. I got there. The next flight was delayed. I got there an hour and a half later than I was supposed to. So this is in San Francisco. My next flight to Chicago was way delayed, and by the time I got to Chicago, my flight to Miami already left. So, yeah.
Not such a good ride.
No. So then they put me on a flight for 6 a.m. the next morning, and it was already 10. And they didn't comp the room or anything. I had to sit up in the airport, not even sleep because there were people walking around. And then at 4:30 in the morning, I saw that flight from Chicago to Miami was canceled. So then I got a flight to Houston, then to Miami, but I was on standby. I didn't even know if I was going to make it. And if I had made it here at 9 p.m., 2 days later, I wouldn't have been able to do surgery. So my travel here was horrible.
And when you did
sum it up,
when you did reach to Miami, how was the environment here at Spectrum Aesthetics?
It's nice here. In California, it's just as hot, but there's no humidity. But for someone like coming from New York, my friends here, it's so much better because it's warm, and everywhere else is freezing. So the environment's nice here.
And how was the staff here at Spectrum Aesthetics?
I absolutely love Jenny. She took care of me incredibly. She drove me back to the hotel when she didn't have to. That wasn't her job. And then she came upstairs and she went and got my medication for me at like 10 p.m. And just everything she didn't have to do. We became friends instantly. What's the girl's name?
Evelyn.
Evelyn, another one, became friends instantly. Dr. Ortega is incredible. Just, people are going out of their way to do things, right? Some things were done wrong by other people, but certain people, Evelyn, Jenny, Dr. Ortega, doing everything that they didn't even have to do properly.
Okay. And what made you decide to get a Brazilian butt lift?
I gained a lot of weight from Hashimoto's disease. A lot, like 60, 70, 80 pounds in a year. And I didn't feel like my old self anymore. And even when I was really thin before, I just wanted my body shaped differently. I wanted breast implants. That's how I started with this whole journey. And then now that I'm going to be losing weight with my medication, I don't want to lose weight in the wrong place and come out looking worse than I even started off. I want to look better than before I ever got Hashimoto's disease. So that's why I'm getting the Brazilian butt lift, so that as I lose weight the right way. I have a big butt, big boobs, small waist, and I'm happy. After this, I still have to lose about 30 pounds, and I'll be happy.
And do you recommend Spectrum Aesthetics to any of your friends or family?
Definitely. Now that I've been here, I would definitely recommend Spectrum Aesthetics. My friend that's here with me, I'm recommending she come here for her breast implants when she wants them.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Amy. You've been amazing.
Don't look at my face. Don't look at anything about me. I look so horrible, but I just wanted to let people know how I feel about this place. But don't judge me.
There you go.
Don't judge me. I look crazy. Just had
Awesome.
surgery. Just got out of surgery, and so I look nuts. But come here.